is the augmenting and milling compound. There is many documents on the machine. The window is covered by cutting fluid, so it's almost white. It's machining part. Let's see what's on the machine. It's a small label on the top. Here is the material number, batch number, date, part number, and the date. In the processing flow file, it also includes the order's basic information, the material purchase time, warehousing time, and auto stock time, progressing workflow, and the time. You can see the time. There is a QR code in the document on the top side. Scan the code, it will show the progress. The drawing is under the progress page. But it's a secret file I will not show this time. It's the equipment produce process document. This is the flow chart. It's the equipment maintenance record. It's the brief user manual for workers. The small box is used to put the first pass sample here, so the worker can compare with the others.